Okay, so a bit of an unboxing and first impression video here on the UTi120S quote professional thermal imager. I've bought this with my own money, so this is not a sponsored review or any of that kind of thing. Bought for personal use, but also I have a several CNC machines, and I think that might be coming useful for detecting any shorts or hot connections in those machines. I haven't actually opened this thing yet. It's been rather difficult for me. I usually rip into the package and I'm straight into the machine, but not this time. The condition of the box as it's arrived is okay. A little bit folded there. Some of the reviews I've seen on the AliExpress, where I actually purchased the camera, say that theirs has arrived with a very badly crushed box. Mine isn't badly crushed, and they say although theirs is crushed, it's actually okay when they open it up. But it's only shipped in a jiffy bubble bag type thing, plastic job. So they're not protecting it that well, but we'll see when we open it up. I can only hope that it's okay. On the bottom of the box there, you've got the data, which is all in Chinese, so hard to work anything out there really. I'll post a translation from where I purchased it. How do you get into this box? That's one of those. Yeah, okay. And there's no seal on the box, so that's good. I didn't bring anything to cut into it with. Let's open the box. Ooh. Padding. Some instructions. All in Chinese. Okay, so first look in the box. What have we got here? Obviously that's the camera. Bit of a lanyard. SD card. Yeah, not going to focus, but anyway, what does it say? It says 32 gigabytes. Oh, okay, 32 gig. I understood it was 16 actually, and there's a USB-C type cable. And the camera. Nothing else. It is quite well padded, so I suppose it could take a fair amount of beating in the post. Oh, incidentally, the shipping time on this from somewhere in China, Shenzhen I think this is, to Queensland in Australia was 13 days. Which is, I don't think it's too terrible, not these days. It's Christmas at the moment, so, and Black Friday's just happened, so it's the silly season. That's the first look. I'm guessing that's going to be the power button. Oh wow! Look at that. And it's still got a full battery. Okay. It is in Chinese at the moment. I'll have to work out how to change that. What have we got here? Yeah, Chinese. Okay, I'll just go and work out how you change it to English. Yeah, it's actually quite easy to change it to English. All you do is you go to the bottom here, under settings, and there it is. Okay, and then you go back, press that button. No, it sort of, well, there's not much text on there anyway, but it kind of starts to make sense. Calibrating. Okay. Now this is a very warm room, as you can see. That's just the background there, and it's showing 30 degrees C. And then up to my studio light, and that's a neon type studio light. You can see it glowing there. So on the top of the device you've got a rubber panel, and that's your USB-C charge port and micro SD card slot next to it. So I'll put that in and continue to use it. I imagine it allows you to take photos, I guess. This particular thermal imaging camera doesn't have an additional camera. Some of the more expensive units have an additional still type camera where you can take stills and they superimpose them onto the thermal image, which I'm sure helps in identifying components, but I couldn't run to that. The household accountant wouldn't allow me to spend what is really pretty much triple the price of one without the camera. So anyway, I'll see how we go. So a bit of a test on response time. So here's my hand coming in. Green hand. So yeah, it's got some delay. I don't know what the hertz are on this thing, but it seems quite good, and the resolution's really not bad for a small screen. Yeah. So what I hope to do with this is to find out where the heat's coming in the house, because it's hot in Queensland, and we run air conditioners most of the day, and the heat comes in the ceiling. We're insulated in the loft, but it's not very well insulated, so at least I'll have a clue where I need to improve my insulation. Okay, so here's an example of, that's my air conditioner running there in the lounge. I'm showing 11 degrees or so there, but you can see immediately above it that's 29-30 degrees all the way along the wall. A hot spot in the corner there, and another weird one there. That's strange. It's sort of around that light, but obviously there's a bit of insulation machine there. But then we come over here where there isn't any at all, and it's really hot. I think you can see the roof joists through the ceiling there. Got some work to do. I believe you can change the colours so they're a little bit more to your liking. Anyway, so far it seems to be quite a solid, certainly a weighty thing in your hand, and whilst I wouldn't want to drop it, I suspect it probably would survive a drop. So all told, I'm quite impressed for the money, really. I don't think it was a fortune. Anyway, thanks for watching.